Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, we're going to make a delicious gluten-free pistachio and strawberry cake. Absolutely yummy. I hope you're gonna like it, and I hope you're gonna try and make it too. If you like the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, guys, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go break on it. So our ingredients for the pistachio cake: 2 eggs, 150 grams of almond flour. This is the juice and zest of 1 lemon, just because I like the flavor. 15 milliliters of olive oil, 75 grams of honey, 60 milliliters of milk. I'm using oat milk, and 75 of pistachios. I chopped them a bit. We're also going to use 1 teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder, as it's again a gluten-free cake. You just need a bowl, your mixer, scrape spatula. The oven is preheating at 180, and I'm using again my 8x8 inch tin. I'm put a baking paper inside. So we're starting with eggs and honey. And now we're going to bake it for about 30 minutes at 180. So out of the oven after 30 minutes. It smells delicious. I'm going to decorate it with some strawberries. Pistachios and strawberries are going really well, but you can have it as it is, just with put some ice and sugar on top, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.